Welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today guys, I wanted to do like a green and peach makeup look. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out yet. We're gonna do this together guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and then I come back to you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Face concealer. This is in number 12 and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my lid. Let me zoom you guys in so I can show you my eyes. Okay, better. Alright, y'all can see that? Okay, great. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this concealer out. I'm using this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow so that I can pop some more and so that it has something to stick to. So now that that concealer is down, I'm gonna go in with this palette. It's been a while since I picked up this palette. This was one of my favorite palettes. It is a City of Neon Lights. Should I go green and pink or pink and peach? Okay, so I want to go in with the Neon Story and the Legally Blonde. It's this green color here and this pink color here. Basically, those are the two colors that I want to work with today. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my colors on. So first I'm going to go in with that green color. Alright, so I have the green down first. Now I'm going to go in with the pink. This is like some... These two colors here reminds me of Cosmo and Wanda. Like, seriously. You know, the odd parents for the odd parents. Like, these two colors are their color. That's the vibe that it's giving me right now. Alrighty, so now that these two colors are down, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. Today I'll be using the Airspun setting powder to set the concealer up here because right here is still wet. So I'm just gonna go in and set right there. I'm gonna go ahead and like drag the pink across and kind of blend things out. So now I'm just gonna go in with my gel liner. This is a Clean and Color Black Smoking Gel Liner. I'm gonna go in with my angled brush and create a wing. I went a bit overboard with this eye. With this eyeliner over here, so I'm adjusting this one over here. Okay, don't mind the mess right now. Hopefully it will all come together in the end. So I'm gonna set this gel liner with the black from this palette. It is called Woman in Black. Alright, so now I'm taking a clean wipe and I'm gonna like sharpen up the edges of this wing liner because it's looking crazy. Oh, wing liner and the lashes. Like when it comes to those detailed stuff for the eyes, those are my struggle points guys. But I'm improving. Like I've come far compared to before. I've come a far way compared to before. So I'm not giving up until I master y'all. So now I'm gonna apply my mascara. I'm going in with the Cream Shop mascara. This is a lengthening black mascara. And then I'll just go ahead and apply my lashes off camera. While that dries down, I'm gonna go in with like some shimmery green. I'm gonna take Fantastic Mr. Glam, this green right here, and I'm gonna put that right into my tear duct area. So these are the lashes that I want to go in with today. It's a 100% human hair, and it's from Cara Beauty. So this is what it looks like. So I did go ahead and moisturize my face as well as the lashes dried down to save time, because I am running out of daylight. I have on the Elegir Pro Prep Primer, and I'm just rubbing this into my skin. Alright, next up I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in 338 Spicy Brown. Alright, so now that the foundation is all blended out, I'm going back in with the Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in number 12. I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. So for extra control, I'm going to go in with this tiny sponge here to blend out the concealer right under my eyes. I'm just going to go back in with my sponge that I used with my foundation and blend out the edges of the concealer so that it doesn't have that harsh line going on around the perimeter. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and set my highlights. I'm taking the Airspun powder and I'll be using this to set my face. So I have some like in the cover right here. I'm just gonna go in with my sponge first to smooth out my concealer, and then I go in with the powder to set it in place. I'm just gonna press that powder into my skin. I don't know why I always turn this way, guys, sorry. I'm sorry. So I'm just pressing the powder into my skin. I'm trying to use a little bit of products, guys. I know I get like really heavy handed with the setting powder sometimes. I'm just trying to like use a little bit of powder. So to like bring back some like yellow tone to my face, I'm gonna go with the Juvia's Place setting powder, and this is called Kalari. I don't know if this is doing anything honestly, but I just tried something, guys, like seriously. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my makeup. Okay, so now that I'm looking like a ghost, y'all. Like seriously, this looks super white on camera, right? Like, why it looks look at the why it looks so why. Alright, so let's just get rid of this like real quick, like seriously. I'm gonna go with my regular powder, the Maybelline Fit Me 355 coconut powder. I'm going to set my face and dust away all the setting powder right here. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is from Dark to Deep. I'm going to take the Sculpt color and I'm going to add some dimension to my face because we're looking real flat right now. So I'm going to add some dimension. Oh, let me set my face real quick. Go in the Bolero Vanilla Sugar Raspberry Face Mist. I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go with the Sheer Cover Highlights. I'm going to use this to highlight my face. I'm taking the Expert Wear from Maybelline. This is in brownish black. I'm gonna line my lip. I'm going to this Black Opal lip gloss. It's a Black Opal color spread lip gloss. It's called a Lobster Gloss. So I'm adding the Milani lip gloss. This is called Indulged Gator. So I'm just adding this like right into the center. Okay guys, so I'll be back with the finished results. Alright guys, so this is the final results for my makeup look today. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I do apologize if the lighting changed in this video because outside is really dark right now and I'm using artificial lights. So hopefully that does not like ruin the video for you guys. And also, as I said before, today is like super hot. I kind of turned off the fan just a little bit to do my outro, but I do apologize if you guys hear any background noise. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.
What it takes. I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so.